Rich, listen. Rich, listen. I'm sure you're going to ask. I'm finished. You're my brother. No, you did it. On my phone. Chris, you're my brother. Give it to me. You're my brother. Chris.
What's going on, brother?
We have a slight problem.
What's wrong, man? You're not gonna, we need to go?
No, you don't have to get up.
Is the plane okay?
Sorry?
Is the plane okay?
Oh, yeah, everything's fine.
You're not gonna fly with us anymore?
No, I'll be right back.
Is everything okay, sir?
Yeah, we're okay.
He doesn't want to fly with us anymore? Is it our fault?
Yeah, I'll get back to you.
Are you back? Here on the next episode of If You Talk to Me Like That Again. Listen, you didn't come home last night. I looked in your phone and I saw his name. All right, y'all be cool. It's my new webisode.
I want to apologize because I really had to go to the bathroom. My captain didn't want to let me go. And I said, listen, I gotta go. All right. So I had to just make a call to the company, make a complaint about that. But otherwise, everything is fine. I'm all ready to go. I want you to feel safe. Everything should be safe. I feel better.
Oh, cool. You relieve yourself? One or two.
None of your business. Oh my God, let's
Number
go.
two, I do everything.